Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put negative y go to the left. So we divide both sides by cosx. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that 1 over cosine s with positive sign next to y, that is for integrating factor. So this one we have secant of s, and this one we have ln of secant of s plus tan s, and this one we have secant of s and tan s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have y secant of s plus tan s. Next, I will concentrate on this one. So we know that the integration of this one, that is about this one, because this one is about this one in here. So we just concentrate on this one. So we know that secant of s, that is about 1 over cosine s. Tan s, that is about sine s over cosine s. So this one sine s cosine s multiplied by this one and this one. Because sine s over cosine s, that is about tan s. And this one we have secant of s squared minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over cosine s. The next one, that is about tan s. And the next one, that is about s. So this one that is about this one in here. So tan s minus tan s negative 1 over cosine s negative and negative, we have positive. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. We know that this one, that is about secant of s. So we simplify again. This is the end. Thank you for watching.